This is a video on finding interest rate. We want the money to double after so many years. So here's what we're giving you. We give you $10,000, so that is your principal. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down here. It is invested in an account, and this count is continuous. So we're going to use the PERT equation. Part A says, find the interest rate if it takes 12 years to double. So our time is 12 years, and we want our money to double. So if we originally have $10,000, at the end we want that money to double. So our end result should be $20,000. 10,000 times 2 is 20,000. Our unknown is the the interest rate. That's our R. That's what we're trying to find. So let's go ahead and plug in the pieces to our PERT equation. So here's our PERT equation. Our end amount is $20,000. Our initial amount is $10,000. E, and then raise it to the R and then T. We have to solve this equation for R. So I'm going to first just multiply R and 12 together in that exponent. So leave everything else alone. So 20,000 equals 10,000 E, and now 12 and R multiplied together gives you 12R. And we want to solve this for R. So the next step is we want to get that E by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 10,000. So this right side is divided by 10,000. This left side is divided by 10,000. And the 10,000s on the right cancel. 20,000 divided by 10,000 is 2. And then it's E raised to the 12R. Now we want to continue solving for R. So notice that the exponential is base E. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides, because the natural log is the inverse of an exponential base E. So I'm natural logging both sides. If you remember that property of a natural log with an exponential base E, they are inverses of each other. These two pieces are inverses, so they're going to cancel each other out. So you're left with just 12R on the right, and on the left, the natural log of 2. Now we'll continue solving for R. So we're going to divide both sides by 12. 12s cancel on the right. You're left with just R. And then on the left, the natural log of 2 divided by 12. Now use your calculator. Enter in the natural log of 2, finish off that parentheses, and then divide it by 12. Be very careful here. Your R should be 0.0577. And I'm rounding that there. Now that's my R. That's not the interest rate. Remember, when we use that formula, we always change our decimal place 2 places to the left. Well, now we have to go backwards and go 2 places to the right. So our interest rate for this problem equals 5.77%. Part B, find the amount after 10 years. So remember, I have that original A equals P E to the RT. And my principal amount, my R, and my T can now be found. My principal was my original amount in my problem. That was $10,000. My interest rate is found up here, 5.77%. So as a decimal, it'd be 0.0577. And then my time is 10 years have gone by. let's go ahead and plug that into the PERT equation to find the end amount. So end amount equals $10,000. Principal, E, raised to the 0.0577 times 10. And now the rest is using your calculator. So I'm going to go ahead into that exponent first and multiply 0.0577 times 10. And that exponent now is 0.577. I'm going to do my exponent next. So second E, make sure you have the E button. 0.577 should be 1.780688345. No need to write it down, just go ahead and multiply that by 10,000. So your end amount is $17,806.88. That's how much you'll have after 10 years.